Let me go report for my uncle.
Kid, what happened?
You remember that uncle now?
What happened?
That black one where the baby. I don't do anything. When you don't beat me, I don't they want to pass.
Wait, you don't tell him that you don't tell him. You don't tell him. He see the beat you.
Yes.
We from where?
From that street now, you know far.
You know. Okay, come now. You go see me. Show him meet you. I go beat them today.
You go kill him.
They ain't going to beat you. I go beat them today. I go make them show say they know they come here on for nothing. Come. Maybe you go. I'm where the place is now. We don't come like 30 street of Calabar today. Where the guy even there? We go soon. Where now? Come. No provoke me home.
I say we go reach. Don't be vexed, we go reach.
Give me where the place is now. I don't run there.
We go soon reach.
You know where the place is.
We go soon reach.
Okay, come maybe go. Way now.
We don't reach.
You don't reach, but I don't tell you way now. You won't kill me. You trust me, but where the place is?
We don't reach.
Here. Go on. Beat you.
Uncle, see here.
Okay, see this small boy, you control it. Because I beat you. You get the audacity to carry your brother come my compound. You don't want me, you won't find me.
I don't want me to, sir. Brother, big. Help me with water. Even not even garage, even not food. I don't die.
This is one confide, give me.
You the grace? Wait, face. When you meet you now, run where you run. Come reach house. I want to get where you enter.
I be 100 naira. I pay 2 kg before I come reach you.
Okay. You enter again. You won't carry me to house. All the way from Mayside. Now I run from Mayside to Mukba. God go for it.
Thank you very much for watching that Funny Live Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday and also on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and book us for any kind of event with that number shown on your screen, except burial. We don't go burial, we don't attend burial. But please, I'm begging you, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We need you to subscribe.